We're 5 months into 2025 already, and if you're feeling like time is flying and your dreams are slipping away, let me stop you right there. It's not too late. In fact, the rest of 2025 can be your breakthrough season. Let's talk about how you can still make your dreams happen, no matter how this year started. First of all, forget the date on the calendar. Stop beating yourself up for what you didn't do in January, February, or even last week. Here's the truth. You don't need a full year to change your life. You just need focused effort and consistent action. Dreams aren't tied to New Year's resolutions. They're tied to your daily decisions. So don't focus on the time that's passed. Focus on the time you still have. You can't achieve what you're not clear about. Ask yourself this right now. What do I truly want in 2025? Not what other people want for you, not what you think you should want, but what you really desire. Get specific. Do you want to lose weight? How much? Start a business? What kind? Build stronger relationships? With who? Write it down. Define it. Give your dream shape. Clarity gives you direction. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, and that's why most people quit. But here's the secret. Every big dream is just a bunch of small steps stacked together. Break it down. Want to write a book? Start with 1 page a day. Want to save money? Start with one less expense this week. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes of walking every day. Progress feels possible when it's measurable and manageable. And once you get moving, momentum kicks in. Motivation is great, but it's not always there. That's why you need a routine that carries you on the days you don't feel like it. Set a schedule. Set reminders. Show up even when you're tired, because consistency beats intensity every single time. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to show up today. Sometimes it's not about adding more. It's about removing what's in the way. Think, who or what is distracting you from your goals? What habits are stealing your time, energy, or focus? Start cutting out distractions, bad habits, and even toxic voices. Make space for your dream to grow. Don't let old patterns block your new future. We've got 7 months left in 2025. That's over 200 days. You can write a book, start a brand, change your health, heal your heart. You can turn your whole life around. But it starts with a choice, not next week, today. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a willing heart, a clear goal, and the courage to take the first step. Here's the truth. You were made to dream, and you were made to do. Don't let 2025 pass you by. Get up, get clear, get consistent, and get going. Because even if 5 months are gone, the rest of the year is waiting for you to show up. This is Peter's journey, and I'm walking it right with you. If this helped you, like the video, comment I'm ready, and share this with someone who needs a reminder that it's not too late. Let's make the rest of 2025 the best of 2025. See you in the next one.